Hi, I'm Agus Krishna. I as an in-house chef in private dining room Hutton Wine. I started to join with Hutton Wines. It's from 2016. Our concept of private dining room, we always serve food and wine pairing. And I always serve when I cooking. I use element of Hutton wine, even that like the wine for the sauce, the grape for the dessert, and sometimes I use the leaf for another food. I have a lot of experience here, but the special one when I do collaboration dinner with the top or professional chef. Happy anniversary 25 years Hutton Wine. Cheers!